Let's now install NextJS on our laptop, and for that we'll use the npx command, which allows us to use npm without having it on our laptop. So we'll use npx create next app, and we'll use the latest version like this. You can as well add the app name or not. So we can add the app name. So next tutorial, and this will give us a prompt. So we'll use TypeScript, we use ESLint, we use Tailwind, the SRCS. So we just confirm everything. So we have our app ready here. So let's just see the next tutorial, and we use VS Code for that. So let's now explore the folder structure. The folder structure of our Next.js app. So we have the node modules. These are the packages that our Next.js app needs. So we have the public folder. This is more when we are pushing the app on prod, so we won't use it here. So the main folder is the source folder. So we have an app, and this app folder has everything that is necessary. So we have this Next.js icon, we have the global.css. This is for the global styles of our app. We have the layout, and we have the page.tsx. This is, I can say, the entry point of our app. So that's what we will see when we run our Next.js app. And then we have, so the ESLint JSON file. Okay, so to have the git ignore. This Next.js config is used by the Next server, so we won't be using it. We have the package.json. This is where we will have all the dependencies, and especially the scripts here. So we have the dev build start lint. So we'll use the dev in this app, and this is going to launch our Next.js app. Right. We have this post CSS. This is related to Tailwind and the CSS. Uh, this is as well as linked to the Tailwind. So it comes when we just uh, used yes as a response of using Tailwind. Okay, and this is for TypeScript, uh, because we are using TypeScript with this Next.js application. Now you don't need to focus on these files, only on the package.json and only on this source file, because that's what we'll be using. So the source file has, as I said, a layout and then the page. Now how it works is, once we open our terminal and we run npm run, okay, dev. So what happens is this command gets executed, and it looks for our entry point file, which is this layout. And then this layout here, it has a function that's called root layout, and this root layout gets executed, right? And it has a children here. We have here this prop, children prop, and this is going to look for the children of our app. And one child here is the page, and the page gets rendered. So in between these body tags, we have our page that renders, right? So this gets rendered, and then this gets shown to our web browser. So let's run npm run dev, and it gets loaded into this localhost 3000. Right, so you have here our app ready, right? So as it says, get started by editing the source page.js. So we go back, and we can see here by just changing or tweaking. Let's say here we can add an h1 here. So you can say welcome to next, and whenever we make an edit, right, you see here it reflected in our browser. And this is the NextJS logo. Okay, so basically once we wipe out this component, so let's actually remove everything. Okay, and you can say here h1, so welcome to NextJS. Right, so we have it here, and the reason why it's not like a regular h1 is because we can have here class name, you know, class name, and we can have text. So as we are using here Tailwind, we have all these texts, okay, LG 3XL 56XL. So we can choose here the text size. Yeah, and see here, so you have it bigger, right? So this is Next.js, so the folder structure. And in the next video, we will look at the routing system.